welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm really excited that you're here with me today. Today we are going to be taking care of this atrocious mess. My roots are grown out. I've got grays in there. My hair hasn't been washed in a week and we're going to do this thing. So, first thing I'm going to do is give a little bit of a disclaimer. I am a cosmetologist. I hold a license in 2 states. I'll walk you through the steps. It is actually the next day. I took a break so that my hair could dry. I had to go to church last night, so this is what we are starting with. As you can see, I have the toner completely lifted out of the bottom, out of the ends. My roots are even, and I just have this pink stain left from last time, which is also fine. So I'm going to, I decided this morning, put a little peekaboo section over here of rainbow. So I have those colors here. I do custom mix all of my colors except for the yellow. So I use a combination of Arctic Fox, Purple Rain, Poseidon, Aquamarine, and then I've got Manic Panics, Hot Pink, Cotton Candy Pink, Shocking Blue, Aquamarine, maybe it's turquoise, I don't remember, and Eero is what I have for my yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and part that out right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use this thing so I don't get stains on my neck. 40-ish minutes. So I'm gonna wash this out and see what we've got. So this is all rinsed out. I am very obsessed with the rainbow here. I think it's really pretty. And so when it gets all dried, I will take pictures or video and show you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, do all those fun things. I'll do lots more color videos, makeup videos, organizing, cleaning videos. I have all kinds of stuff coming, so I hope you will join me for today.